So your efforts to use AI in your legal practice aren't failing because the tool itself, the AI, is bad. They're failing for the reason that your practice runs you instead of the other way around. So when most lawyers try to use AI, they might get some mediocre output and they'll conclude AI can't work in legal practice. But the tool itself might not be the problem. What's actually happening? You upload a contract and type summarize this. AI will give you back a generic overview of what's already in the document, which you already kind of sort of knew. Now, that's not a really useful output. That's chance. You've handed AI a direction and just hoped that something useful came back. And your practice runs you exactly for the same reason. Your practice was never broken down or built intentionally. It accumulated case by case, obligation by obligation until you're serving the system that nobody chose, not even you. And that's the pattern. Not competence, not the wrong tools, just accumulation by chance instead of design by choice. Prompting AI well and designing your practice well share something common. They require the exact same first step, deciding what you actually want, specifically enough to say it out loud. Summarizing the contract is chance. Review this agreement and identify every clause that creates liability exposure for my client. For each one, explain why it's a problem, propose revised language that protects my client's position, and flag everything that is non-standard for this type of agreement. That's choice. That's intentional design. The second prompt doesn't just get better output. It gives you what you actually want, success. And this requires you to have already decided what a good review, good output looks like, which means the design happened before AI even touched the document. That's not a prompting skill. That's what it looks like to stop practicing by chance. And if that distinction landed, the next video shows exactly what chance looks like inside a real prompt and what it costs you. Check link below.